How to raise invoices in bulk in Zoho Books. Need to raise multiple invoices quickly? Let's explore the fastest ways to do bulk invoicing in Zoho Books. So, for customers billed regularly, you can go ahead and set up recurring invoices. Zoho Books will automatically generate them on schedule. If invoices are similar, open one and click clone and adjust customer items or dates to save time. Install the bulk add items extension, upload a CSV file with product details, and Zoho Books will populate invoices with multiple line items instantly. Record customer advances and apply credits to multiple invoices at once. This reduces manual entry. Create workflows for auto-generate invoices when triggers occur, like confirming a sales order. This is ideal for batch invoicing. And that is how to raise invoices in bulk in Zoho Books.